Hey, and welcome to my channel. We're going to jump right into creating this look. I call them the Locs. Some people call them the Faux Locs. I decided to do the medium size because I didn't want to be here all day doing this. So let's jump right into it. So I decided to use the new Locs hair by Bobbi Boss, the Rasta hair from Cuban Twist. You don't have to use the exact same brand, or any type of hair that's similar to this one will do the job just fine. I used some eco styling gel, a comb, and a crochet needle. So I parted my hair in medium-sized boxes to individually plait my hair down to the end of where it stops. So once I complete plaiting my entire head, I'll go ahead and start the process for the locks, and I'll be back once I get to the front. So majority of my hair will already be done, okay? Oh, yes, I am almost finished. Okay, so this was a process, but here we go. So I left this one out just so I can show you guys exactly how I did the rest of them. So I'm going to walk you through it. I've already, of course, plaited my whole head. And now I'm going to take the loose Bobbi Boss hair, which is the hair that's already dreaded, and I'm going to use my crochet needle to basically insert the needle into or through the plait. After using your crochet needle and pulling the hair through the braid and tying it in a knot so it won't move, you're now going to take your Cuban hair or your kinky hair and you're going to twist. You're going to tie it around the parameter of the braid and the Bobbi Boss hair that's already there, and you're just going to twist it around. Now pay attention exactly how I'm wrapping it. I'm not twisting it, but I'm wrapping it around the plait. I'm just wrapping it, and you have to be careful because some ways you may wrap, it'll come out looking like a twist, which is what we don't want. We do want the hair to be kind of spreaded so it can wrap evenly. As you can see, you will run out of the Cuban twist hair, and what we are doing is we're just adding a piece of Cuban twist hair that was cut in half, and we're just going to use that half piece and we're going to finish wrapping it on down to the end. Now you will have some kinks, knots, or imperfections in your locks, but that's okay. Me personally, I like that because it looks more natural. But if you don't, you can just try it again and rewrap it over. Once you get down to the end of the hair, you want to knot it so that it can stay in place and it won't unravel. Now you want to take your scissors and cut off all the frizzes and the hair that you don't want left on your locks.